Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. I welcome you all at my YouTube channel. Let's spread happiness. I hope all of you are doing well. So today in this video, I am going to tell you how you can find the solution of your mathematics problem online. There are multiple websites available for this purpose, but the best one is Math Solver offered by Microsoft. So you can access this website by typing mathsolver.microsoft.com, and here at one platform you will get every field of mathematics, and they will show you the step-by-step solution of every question. So you have to just type your question here. For example, this is a quadratic equation written in front of me. You can amend this equation. For example, instead of 5 I can write here 6, and if here plus sign, I will type here plus, and here I will type plus 2 instead of 5. So you can amend this equation according to your requirement, and by clicking this keyboard will be expanded in front of you, and here you can type your numbers, so numbers and symbols. So I will click solve, and when I have clicked the solve, here it has given me the solution, and here you can see view solution steps. It has given the solution x is equal to under root 7 minus 3, and the second solution is value of x is equal to minus under root 7 minus 3. I will click show solution steps. So here they have applied the quadratic formula. For example, the standard formula is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. By putting the value, they have attained the solutions, and the final solution is written here as I have already told you. So this was the example of quadratic equation. You can also solve your calculus derivatives. For example, I will click calculus. Let me click this example, and when you will click this example, this will be shown in front of you. You can type your own example as well, or your own question as per your requirement and according to your field. So click this solve option, and it will take 2 to 3 seconds, and the option is 3, view solution steps. Here it will show you the solution steps, and it will show the final answer. So this was related to calculus. You can also solve your questions related to trigonometry, and you can also solve your question related to algebra. You have to just type your question here and then click the solve, and if you have trouble in typing the symbol, you can set this format from already defined keyboard. So in this way you can solve your mathematics problems. It gives you all types of field, for example algebra, calculus, trigonometry, and all fields of maths are included in this. So I hope this video is useful for you, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay subscribed. Allah Hafiz.